Hey designer, Alex here, welcome to the channel and welcome to this new video series here on the channel, which is all about designer money. Over the next 52 weeks we are going to explore how can we as designers make money. We are going to explore some more obvious ways and some ways you probably didn't think about and probably didn't take into consideration. So every single Friday you can check back here on the channel. There's going to be a new way and a new method for you to make money as a designer. If you don't like this week's method, you can check back next week and make sure to hit that subscribe button not to miss out, and you can also turn on those bell notification icons so that you're going to get notified every Friday when I launch a new video. This is the insert for my course 101 ways to make money as a designer, and you can check it out by going to my membership. A link is going to be down in the description below. You can check out my membership for all of my courses, all of my design products, practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So if you're interested, make sure to check out. A link is going to be in the description below. Now without any further ado, let's check out this week's method. This week's method is to be a design coach. You can be a design coach to other designers by simply forming a group on Facebook, for example, or creating a YouTube channel like I am doing right here, or you can create your own membership like I have on my own website. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to check it out. But basically, by being a coach, you're sharing what you know. You're not claiming that you're some kind of a guru. You're just sharing your own tips and techniques that you learned in your career, and perhaps you're just trying to help other designers improve their skills and move up in their careers. For example, you might have some particular tips that you can share, some particular interesting technique that's going to save people a lot of time. So you want to share that with other designers, and therefore you're going to be paid for what you are sharing. If you're shy about video and you don't want to appear in front of a camera like I'm doing right now, then you can do it in a form of an email list, for example, and you can send articles to them. You can do it in a form of blog posts. You can do it in a form of pre-recorded videos if you don't want to see them. You can do it in a form of, for example, Zoom or Skype calls when they don't see your face, they just see your screen, for example, and you're just talking and sharing those tips or techniques with them that way. But the whole point is to be a design coach is to earn additional money on the side by sharing what you know, by creating this design connections with other designers and simply sharing what you know in exchange for money. Once again, you're not claiming here that you are some kind of a guru, you're not teaching at school, you're just sharing your own tips and techniques. I remember back in the day there was one designer, which I'm not going to name in this video because they don't want to be named and connected with online work in any way, but they had this great technique about coding, about what they can do to help them speed up their coding process and by checking the errors along the way, which I found was extremely interesting. And then I approached them and told them, why don't you charge about this? And they listened to me and they applied that to their own coaching business, and now they have a six-figure business and creating all these online courses. But once again, I'm not going to mention who it is, it's not important. But the key here is, if you know something and you think that other people should know about it, create a design coaching business, because that way you're going to help other designers in exchange for money, and you're going to be happy because you're going to have a lot of these great design connections along the way while still earning money from it. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you found some value in it. If you did, make sure to press that like button. I upload new videos here on the channel every single week. So if you like this one, make sure to subscribe and make sure to check back next Friday when I upload a new video here to the Designer Money playlist. If you don't like this one, check back next week and see if that one is a good fit for you. And also don't forget to check out my membership. Link is going to be down in the description below if you want to get all of my courses, all of my design products, all of my practice files for these YouTube videos, private access to the Facebook group, mentorship and much more. So thank you once again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.